Every football used in the world's biggest matches begins its journey long before it reaches the field. Today, we're going inside one of the... Every day, thousands of precision-engineered footballs are produced using advanced machinery and skilled craftsmanship. Although much of the process is automated, experienced technicians monitor every stage to ensure world-class quality. Every production step follows strict international standards, ensuring consistency from the first material to the finished football. Production begins with premium polyurethane synthetic leather, selected for durability, flexibility, and consistent performance. Every material is carefully tracked before entering the manufacturing process. Large sheets of synthetic leather are automatically fed into precision manufacturing equipment. The engineered surface texture helps provide excellent grip, durability, and consistent ball control. Every production batch is measured to ensure precise material thickness before manufacturing continues. Beneath the outer surface, reinforcement layers add strength, shape retention, and long-term durability. Heat and pressure permanently bond these layers into a single high-performance material. The completed composite sheet is now ready for precision printing and cutting. Advanced digital monitoring allows engineers to supervise every stage of production in real time. Next, each sheet will receive the distinctive graphics that give every football its recognizable appearance. In the next stage, precision printing technology transforms plain material into the iconic designs seen on football pitches around the world.
In time. The first visible transformation begins with precision printing. Every graphic is applied with extreme accuracy.
Computer-controlled print heads position every detail within fractions of a millimeter. Ultraviolet curing permanently bonds the ink to the synthetic leather, creating a finish that resists fading and wear. Automated conveyors keep every production stage synchronized for maximum efficiency. Machine vision systems verify that every printed pattern matches the original digital design. Even the smallest printing error is detected before production continues. Once approved, the material moves directly to one of the most precise stages of production, panel cutting. Precision steel dies are engineered to produce perfectly identical football panels every time. Automated positioning systems ensure every cut maximizes material efficiency while maintaining perfect accuracy. Thousands of kilograms of pressure create clean, perfectly shaped panels in a single operation. Each sheet produces multiple precision-cut panels ready for the next stage of manufacturing. Robotic handling protects every panel from scratches or distortion during transport. Random samples are continuously inspected to verify dimensional accuracy. At this stage, every individual panel already contains the appearance of the finished football. The printed panels are now ready for assembly, where advanced thermal bonding technology will transform separate pieces into a perfectly engineered football. After cutting, every panel is carefully organized before entering the assembly process. Automated positioning systems ensure each panel is aligned with exceptional precision. Before assembly, every panel undergoes one final inspection for surface quality and dimensional accuracy.
Consistent flexibility is essential for maintaining the football's performance and durability.
Robotic systems begin arranging the individual panels around a perfectly engineered spherical mold. Carefully controlled heat and pressure permanently bond the panels into a seamless outer shell. Temperature, pressure, and timing are precisely controlled to ensure a uniform bond across every panel. Thermal bonding creates exceptionally strong seams while reducing water absorption during play.
The outer shell has now taken its final shape, but it is not yet a complete football.
Controlled cooling stabilizes the material and preserves the shell's precise dimensions. Controlled cooling stabilizes the material and preserves the shell's precise dimensions. Dimensional checks confirm that every shell meets strict manufacturing tolerances. Production continues without interruption as completed shells move toward the next stage. Real-time production monitoring helps maintain consistent quality throughout the manufacturing process.
In the next stage, the internal bladder and valve system will be installed, transforming each shell into a fully functional football ready for inflation and
Inside every football is a precisely engineered bladder that stores air and helps maintain consistent pressure throughout the game. Inside every football is a precisely engineered bladder that stores air and helps maintain consistent pressure throughout the game.
Butyl rubber is commonly chosen because it retains air exceptionally well, while remaining flexible.
every bladder is tested for leaks before it can be installed inside the football. Once approved, the bladder is carefully positioned inside the bonded outer shell.
Proper alignment ensures reliable inflation and a perfectly balanced football.
Computer-controlled inflation begins shaping the football into its final form. As air fills the bladder, the shell expands into the familiar shape recognized around the world. Automated calibration systems verify that every football maintains a perfectly spherical shape. Laser measurement systems analyze every dimension with remarkable precision. Real-time production monitoring helps maintain consistency across thousands of footballs every day. Before testing, every football receives a final surface cleaning to ensure a flawless finish. Production now moves to one of the most demanding stages: comprehensive quality testing. Production now moves to one of the most demanding stages: comprehensive quality testing.
Every football receives a final visual inspection before performance testing begins. In the final chapter, these footballs will face rigorous tests for pressure, weight, bounce. Air pressure is carefully verified to ensure the ball performs consistently during play. Rebound testing confirms that every football responds within strict performance standards. Even after repeated impacts, the football must retain its precise shape. Before a football can leave the factory, it must pass a series of demanding performance and quality tests. Weight is another critical factor, helping ensure consistent handling and flight characteristics. Advanced imaging systems inspect every visible detail before final approval.
Only footballs that meet every requirement continue to the packaging line. Each football receives a final cleaning before packaging for shipment.
Automated packaging protects every football throughout transportation and storage. Robotic palletizing prepares thousands of footballs for efficient global distribution. Finished products are stored in climate-controlled warehouses until shipment. Every shipment is carefully organized before beginning its journey to customers around the world. From carefully selected raw materials to rigorous quality testing, every step contributes to a football designed for reliable performance. Millions of footballs begin their journey in factories like this one, through precision engineering, skilled craftsmanship, and rigorous testing.